Gift wrapping is a fine motor activity. It builds up those little fingers for writing. It works on concentration, coordination. You can also practice grace and courtesy lessons like accepting a gift and saying thank you for a gift. Unwrapping a present is a great way to work on those fine motor skills for children who cannot wrap a present yet.
Here, take the tape off.
Here, my daughter is teaching my younger son how to unwrap a present. The older children teaching younger children teaches them to be leaders, it gives them patience and understanding, and it actually helps reinforce what they have learned. I bought some DIY ornaments at Michael's Craft Store. You can paint the ornaments as well for another activity. My daughter threaded the string through the ornament and then tied a knot. So this is a fine motor activity and works on knot tying. This took a lot of concentration for her to be able to do this activity, but she was really proud of herself when she completed the activity, and I had to put tape on the ends of the strings to keep it from fraying. You'll have to demonstrate this for your child multiple times. It helps to do it with them using your own string the first few times that they do this until they get the hang of it. I printed out and laminated some Christmas 3-part cards. I just gave my daughter the picture in words and picture cards and did not give her the word cards to match. That was a little bit overwhelming for her to match the words, and so I just took that step away. 3-part cards are great for building vocabulary and early literacy skills. What's the number?
4.
Yep, so this is 4 and that says 4. The control of error for this work is that there is black dots on the tree, and so all of the pom-poms should go onto the black dots, and then if the work is done correctly at the end of it, there are no more objects in the bowl. The control of error is a way that the child can do this work on their own and know if it's correct or not.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Her art shelf, I have holiday cutting and winter and Christmas stamps. In this printable, they have different levels, so this one was a little bit easy for her, so I gave her the next level up with the lines with curves. You can cut a sweater out of felt and then get things from the Dollar Tree such as pom-poms, stickers, jewels, buttons, and let them get creative in making a tacky sweater. Pin punching is a fine motor activity. It builds up finger strength for writing and works on the pincer grasp. All you need is a thumbtack and a cork board for this activity. My daughter is still working on like push pinning down the line. She kind of is just push pinning in different spots. But the idea is that once you push pin the shape, it'll push out like a coupon. I got a couple packages of ornament painting activities at the Dollar Tree, and it came with an acrylic paint, but that's not washable, so I just gave her some paint that we have that's washable and let her decorate the ornaments. We got this felt tree 2 years ago when my daughter was 1, and every year it's been a big hit. They love decorating the tree and then taking all the ornaments off and decorating it again. We have a little Peg People nativity set, and my daughter loves playing with that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I gave you guys some ideas, and happy holidays.